is our 2014. And so everybody knows where I'm coming from on this, is that everybody wants to be happy. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Everybody wants a happy house too. They want even comfort throughout their home. They want clean, comfortable air in their home. They want to be, they don't want dry skin. They want low energy bills. I mean, that makes a happy house. And it's going to be a sincere thing. We're going to put a message out there that psychologically, everybody wants a happy house. What is that happy house? And we're going to explain to them what a happy house is. People want to be happy. They want to be happy. And we're showing them the side of us that makes them happy. They see that we're having fun doing things right for customers, and they're interested in that.